Hi. So the first resource that I chose was the Remind app. And I picked this because communication is such a big deal between parents and teachers. And even though my email is always up and I'm sending newsletters home constantly and reminders, I always feel like there's parents that tell me they don't know what's going on. So this app, which can also be accessed on the internet, is a really good tool for communicating with parents. This app follows the two ISTE standards of ISTE A 2A and ISTE C or E 2A. So the first thing is I just went to remind.com and logged in there because I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you would have to create one. You can also put the app on your phone if that's easier, and then log in on your phone. When you get into Remind, you'll want to create a class, which I've already created a class for this year since I'm currently using this program in my room. And then once you create your class, you go to this button up here to add people. And it is where you can add people to your class. So you can either type in names and emails and phone numbers if you already have that, or if you don't, you can go to the principal PDF and send home this paper that it pops up, which gives an access code to get into your classroom and shows them how to download it on their phone, tells them how to access it on the internet, and then the parents can do it themselves. When I sent this home to my parents, I actually sent home the PDF and had parents sign up for it if it was something they wanted to use. These people over here are the people that have signed up and use Remind to communicate with me. It is basically like a messenger, almost like text message app. So on my phone, it pops up in the Remind app, but it pops up like a text message when a parent is contacting me. The really cool thing about it is nobody has each other's cell phone numbers. So they don't have access to my cell phone number, but they can still send me a message and communicate with me. And then, a lot of parents are communicating with me throughout the day about things that have happened or if pickup is changed. And so it's really nice to get that because a lot of parents access their phones throughout the day more than they access their email. Another cool thing is you can send announcements. So right here on this button, you can send an announcement to everybody that has joined the Remind app. You can send it to a whole bunch of people. You can pick which people you want to send it to. If you don't want to send an announcement, you can just click on the person that you would like to talk to and send them a message really fast. It's just an easier way to communicate with the parents and for them to communicate with me as a teacher. So that's the first resource that I wanted to share.